sugar boo, ayy, I'm levitating, ooh, the Milky Way, ooh, we're renegading, yeah, 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 yeah. Hey guys, my name is Hiba, nice to meet you, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, I am so glad you made it. As you can see from the title, this is going to be a tutorial for a transition video to the song by the legendary Dua Lipa. So I posted a reel on my Instagram handle a couple of days ago, maybe last week. I'm sorry guys, it's hard to edit all of this stuff sometimes. So without any further ado, this is the transition tutorial to Levitating by Dua Lipa. Before I go into how to do the transitions, I'm just gonna go straight into explaining the choreography first. And I feel like once we have the choreo down, it's gonna be super easy to understand the transitions one step at a time. I promise this will all make sense at the end. Let me just pull up the lyrics for this because we don't want an embarrassing situation. I do highly suggest that you go check out my reel itself so that you know the flow of things and you learn just by watching the video, but I'ma still break it down for you because I love you. So the song goes, if you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. I just felt like singing there. Whew. She's a singer? Ooh, Adele who? Okay, so if you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. Ta ta. Basically what I did is right hand point, if you wanna run away with the left hand. If you wanna run away with me. So as soon as I said me, that's when I go pa. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. Now for the ride in the video, I went like this and I went pa pa. So the second part is this transition over here, this one over here. A tip is to try to do this transition a little bit closer to the camera. So you go choosh and then choosh, okay? Try. So obviously my distance from the camera is quite far because this is for YouTube, but when I'm filming my reels, my camera is right here. So it's easy to film this. So again, if you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. Pa, pa. I had a premonition, so you join your hands, I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm. Fell, as soon as it goes fell, you start bringing your hand back. Fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Clap, clap, okay? And then the next one is glitter in, wait. Then it goes, glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. Adele who? Basically, I went right hand like this, left hand like this, and then both of them open up like that, okay? Again, my hand is closer to the camera for these transitions. Just for YouTube, my camera is far. Okay, again from the top, do it with me. If you wanna run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. Pop, pop. Hand join. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Clap, clap. Glitter in my skies. Glitter in my eyes. Shining just the way you like. Next line goes, if you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. For this, I do a head transition where I look to my left and then I come back and continue. But if you are a beginner, this is a very difficult transition, even for me to sometimes nail on the point. And when I say even for me, it's because I film transitions like almost every day. So if I'm telling you that even I mess up in this transition, that means it's a little challenging, okay? So if you want, you could skip this transition and instead of doing the head transition, you could do something else like a tap, okay? But I'm still gonna show you how I did it. All right, so glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need, so as soon as I say, if you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, so you put your head here for if you're feeling like you need a little bit of company. So for this, you're gonna film one clip it of you going like this, and the second clip it, you're going to be sitting like this, and you're gonna film it If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. When I turn my head when she says, you met me at the perfect time. Met was my trigger word. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. And then it jumps into the chorus and goes, you want me, I want you, baby. So for this, you're gonna go, you met me at the perfect time. So basically, I'm putting both my elbows up like this, right, left. Kind of like when you go like this, like a badass, but you're gonna prepare for that move, and then you're gonna come close to the camera and basically rotate it. So it goes, if you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me. Okay, so all in all, this is what it looks like. If you want to run away with me, I know a galaxy and I could take you for a ride. Pop, pop. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm and the music don't stop for life. Pop, pop. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. Turn. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. Pop, pop. You want me. Hey, I want you, baby. My sugar boo. Hey, I'm levitating. Oh, the Milky Way. Ooh, we're renegade. Yeah, 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 yeah. And then after this, I just had a blast with my filters and just having fun and filming. I'm not gonna include that in the tutorial. That was just me being me. You do you. I really hope that I taught this choreo well. If not, I am so sorry, but you might have to learn this choreo just like how you do TikTok dances on Reels. So it's possible. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how you can take this filmed footage and edit that. So for that, I'm going to show you exactly where I cut for the transition so you guys know how to do this. And you could use any free software for your phone. InShot is a really good one, available for both iOS and Android, if I do remember correctly. However, you can obviously edit this on Reels, Instagram Reels itself. You can anywhere where you can basically just cut and paste. You just need to cut and paste. And a tip for filming this, let's say if you are filming this with makeup, if you have like foundation on your face and you have that dotted on your face, for example, make sure you do the whole choreo first. So with the dotted foundation, you would do the whole routine. Then you'll blend out your foundation. Then you'll do the whole routine again. Then you'll do concealer, and then you'll do the whole routine again. This is just a safe and easy, foolproof way of making sure you have all the footage that you need. And you can edit things in front or behind according to however you like it. You'll understand once you start editing these transitions more and more with time. You can be as creative as you want, but like I said, you don't need any fancy softwares to edit this, so I'm just going to show you where to cut these clippets, basically.
And I could take you for a ride. I had a premonition that we fell into a rhythm where the music don't stop for life. Glitter in the sky, glitter in my eyes, shining just the way you like. If you're feeling like you need a little bit of company, you met me at the perfect time. You want me, I want you, baby.
Today I'm using Filmora Wondershare editing software, but I highly recommend you watch my video on how I edit my transitions. I will link that in the description below so that you can do this on Instagram Reels or any other editing app. I'm trimming the first clip right when my hand is in front of my face, then going into my second clip, I am trimming it right when my hand hovers in front of my face again, and then I combine the two clips so that it looks something like this. For my second transition, I'm going to trim the clip right when my joined hands are in front of my face, and then repeating that with my post-transition clip. For transition 3, 4, 5, and so on, I'm going to be using the same technique of trimming my clips right when my hand is over my face, and then joining them together to assemble my transition video. Now, The head turn transition is the only transition where my hands aren't involved. Basically, I'm going to trim the clip right in the middle of my head turn. Then I change positions to continue the transition, and then here I also trim my clip right in the middle of my head turn. This one is a little challenging, but I suggest practicing a couple of times before filming so that we don't have any painful regrets. And at the end of it all, you should land a nice, smooth transition video to show off to the world. Anyway, you guys, I hope we're all feeling levitated from that tutorial. That was so bad. Anyway, I tried my best to explain things to you. If you do have trouble or you want to follow through me doing the steps, I suggest you rewind this YouTube video and just watch the choreo part over and over again until you get the timing and syncing straight, and then go at it. Film. My number one tip is not to get intimidated by the camera. It's always better to put something out there than to keep it in your mind because of fear. So sit down, drink some water, breathe, and try your best, okay? Learn the choreo, film the part, and you will have yourself a bomb-ass levitating reel. And please do share these videos with me. Make sure to tag me. Please remix me if you would like to, and I would love to see them because it just makes me so happy to know that you vibed and you learned it, and ooh, we partying together. If you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to support your girl. Help you. Also, let me know if this video was helpful at all, and if you want me to make more videos like this or anything else, just leave it down in the comment. I make sure to read them all. And to know exactly when I drop videos on my channel in the future, make sure to hit that bell notification, and that way you will be notified every time that happens. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Take care and be safe. Bye.